Feel the magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
So today I have for you a very quick project, and we are going to use these colours because the project is for VE Day. I mean, you can use it for other things, but that's why I've decided to do this. So I am using aran weight yarn, and I have a 5mm hook. You can use whatever weight yarn and hook that you want, but we're using red, white and blue. I'm going to start with the red. If you can make a granny square, then this project is for you. We are going to make some bunting or flags or pennants, whatever you want to call them. So I am starting off with a magic circle. You may choose to start, I'm not starting off with magic circle at all, let's start again. You can choose how you want to start your circle, whether you're doing a chain 3 and working into the last one, or chaining a few and joining them together, whatever suits you. But I'm going to do a magic circle, at least I am now. I'm going to make a magic circle, and then into the magic circle I'm going to put 3 sets of granny stitches. So if you don't know what a granny stitch is, then follow along and see if you can work it out with me. But we are going to do 3 sets of 3 double crochets, US terms, 3 trebles, UK terms. I always start with a standing double crochet. Not sure if you can hear any noise around me, but it's very, very hot day here in Lancashire, and I have a fan on which is blowing some papers. So that's 3 sets of a set of 3 double crochets. I just chain 1, and then I'm going to do another set of 3. Oh. Another chain 1, and then the last set. And last chain 1. We'll draw that together and then slip stitch into the top of your first stitch, top of your chain 3, and however you've chosen to do that. And you will have 3 sets of your double crochets. So I'm using sorry, I use these teeny tiny scissors. Let's just get rid of the red. And so I'm going to move on to the white. Now, just pull that through. I'm going to join in any of the chain spaces. I always chain 1. I prefer, I think it looks a bit neater, but I'm going to join with a chain and then make my standing double crochet, and then in each one around you're going to do a granny corner. So a set of 3 double crochets with a chain between that and the next one is a granny corner. So there we go. Then I'm going to go directly into the next chain 1 and do another granny corner. One, 2, 3, and then I've got 1 more to do, so again directly into it, another granny corner. I think maybe I might have been better with a 5.5 for this, but we'll see. I quite like my granny squares on the tighter side, hence why I went for a 5 and not a 5.5 or a 6. There we go. So that's the last one. And again, no chain now because I'm not on a corner section, and I'm going to slip stitch into the top. Going to pull that through to the back, and hopefully you can see that's the beginning of our triangle. To make our flag, I'm going to use my teeny tiny scissors that are now not working, and then I'm going to join the blue and keep my white because I might use that to edge it. So you can join anywhere. You can join in a corner or in a side section. I will join in the corner. So again, the corner section. No chain between. I've got a side section, so I'm just putting 3 double crochets in there. Okay, I'm coming to a corner, again no chain between, and then I'm going to do this corner one. Just need some more blue. Two, 3, chain 1, second part of the corner, into the side, into the corner, and then the last side. And I join there. Now, I would most likely go around now. I'm not going to do it because I'm trying to keep this short and sweet, but I would most likely go around now with probably the white and put a single crochet in each one of the stitches, and 3 single crochets in the chain 1 space, or potentially 2 single crochets with a chain between in the chain 1 space. What that gives me then is something that I can use as a little pendant. Now pennant. So you can see that you can make this bigger. You could do, you could just keep on increasing this and keep on interchanging the colours, and so use red necks and white and blue and so forth. I don't need to tell you that. Or you could do it with 2 rounds of red, then followed by 2 rounds of white, 2 rounds of blue, whatever it is that you'd like to do. And then when you've got a few of them, you can start to join them and create your own little set of VE Day flags. Perfect time to start doing it. We are the 1st of May, and so you have a week to get started on these and get some done. You can see that's taken, well, we're on just over 8 minutes now, and if I was sat doing them one after another, it would probably take me 5 minutes each to do this side. Obviously I've got to then sew all the ends in and put them together, but I hope that's a really nice quick idea for you to help with the celebrations. And of course you can make these in multicolours, so you can have them ready. Do you know what, a set for birthdays rather than buying the plastic ones would be amazing, wouldn't it, in all the bright colours. So yeah, so go make flags.